afternoon. We're in front of Bel Air building. Bel Air is an oceanfront building, built in 2005, located on Collins Avenue on 65th Street. The building has pool, jacuzzi, gym, valet, front desk concierge. The unit has 1 and 2 bedroom. Total unit number is 130. The height is 18 stories. Recent sale in the building occurred on December 16, 2009. It was 2 bedroom with total living area 1141, and the price per square foot was 460. Total amount of the transaction was 525,000. For more detailed information about unit available for sale, rent in the Bel Air building, please contact Daniel at 786-234-9898. I'm a licensed real estate agent in the state of Florida, specializing in Miami Beach, oceanfront and bayfront. Thank you for watching. It's January 21st, 2010. Beautiful day in Miami Beach. The next building to Bel Air is Akoya building, and I will give you the review in the next video shot. Thank you.